Kapamilataning farewell speech, pasalamat si Mayor Pogi Lasatin ng Ciudad Angeles. King tiwalang pagkalub na kaya kilub ning Ana Mabanunga. Pakiran naman tayo King Report ng Angel Dumagat.
My fellow Angeleños, aking mga kabalen, 6 years ago, I took oath at Barangay Sapa Libutan. I remembered vividly that day. I vowed to make this city, our beloved Angeles City, better since my father, Mayor Tarzan, and his father before him, my grandfather, Apong Peleng, first began their watch. Today, 6 years had passed, and I stand before you. I know deep inside, with the help and contribution from each and every one of my fellow City Hall employees, and the guidance from our Lord God, I fulfilled that vow.
Yaning laman ning meging talumpati ng Mayor Carmelo Pogi Lasatin Jr. king kayag na ning kayang farewell speech inyang June 19, 2025. Formal yan naman memye kapasalamatan king kayang Ana Mabanwang pa magserbisyo kareng Angeleño. Memye yan naman pasasalamat i Mayor Lasatin kareng opisyal kayabe na king kayang pamanungkulan at miyampang parangal kareng meging pundasyon na ning kayang pamaggobyerno. Pilan karingikwang parangal ng syudad king meging termino ng Mayor Lasatin ay back-to-back seal of good local governance, epektibong COVID-19 response at maraming aliwa. Agpang kang Mayor Lasatin, balawos pa mo rin kayang serbisyo king kayang pangaluklok bilang 1st District Representative ning Pampanga.
Napakalaking karangalan po na kayo'y mapagsilbihan bilang inyong alkalde. Luwid kayo nga po, luwid ya po ang syudad na ning Angeles.
Ako'y Angel Dumagat para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutu, King Balen Susuyo.